Why do 90% of coffee drinkers struggle with stained teeth? We've got the answer. Introducing air polish technology, your new best friend for a bright stain-free smile. Whether it's coffee, smoking, or even pan and gutka stains, air polish technology is here to save the day. Unlike traditional methods, this contactless cleaning technique uses a jet of air, water, and fine powder to gently remove stains without harming your enamel. It's quick, effective, and most importantly, safe. So say goodbye to those stubborn stains and hello to a sparkling smile. Want more tips on keeping your teeth in top shape? Make sure you subscribe to our channel and never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, a brighter smile is just an air polish away. Check out the links in the description for more info. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/cothamus-dental-care-123996494913331. Google+, https://www.google.com/maps?cid =139456337685976488087.